welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about the infamous Glamnetic lashes. So if you don't know what Glamnetic is, they are magnetic lashes. As opposed to being adhered with glue, they are adhered with a liquid magnetic eyeliner. It's a super cool concept, and I have tried magnetic lashes in the past. I just have not tried the Glamnetic ones. I've tried the Allure, I believe, and I got them at the drugstore and they worked really well and they stayed on all night. So I'm super excited to try the Glamnetic ones and see how they are. A little bit about them. The lashes that I have are the Babygirl ones. I got these in my BoxyCharm, I believe last month, but I saved them because I wanted to try them on video because they are pretty pricey and I wanted to let you guys know if they were worth the money or not. These are worth $29.99 and the liquid magnetic liner goes for $37.99, so that leaves us at like $68. That is pretty pricey, but I believe you can use these multiple times. The liquid liner is sold separately, so make sure you add that to your cart if you're ordering them online. So I already did my makeup and I already did my liner. I stick to a specific liner. I use the Stila waterproof in Intense Black. Well, so what I'm planning to do is just like line my waterline with the liquid magnetic liner. On the back it says shake before each use, and then just, I guess we do one coat. With the Allure ones I had to do, I believe, like 4 coats of the liner. With this one I think it's just one, so that sounds pretty good. My lashes are super long, like my natural lashes, so I always tend to get stuff on them. And it's like really hard for me to get behind them because they also stick up. Oh no, I'm gonna have to wash my hands. So it says to wait for the liner to be about 80% dry. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. So here is one eye with the lash and one eye without. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put on the other one now. I always have a lot of trouble putting on lashes only because, like I said, my natural lashes are pretty long and they stick up. So I have to kind of like maneuver and go like, you know what I mean? It's hard for me to see and like do it at the same time. I wouldn't necessarily use this specific style, the Babygirl style, every single day, but I'll definitely keep these because you can reuse them, and I'm going to be using these again for sure. They were so easy to put on and the liner was super easy to use, so I'm definitely 100% going to be using these again. But like I said, I'm going to be going on their website and then looking at some other styles and getting some a little bit more natural that I can use on a more day-to-day basis if I'm doing something during the day or going out to brunch or just even going to work. I'm definitely not going to be wearing these. I'm going to be wearing some that are a little bit more natural looking. All in all, I really do love these lashes. The only thing that I'm not obsessed with is the price point, but honestly, they work really well. As opposed to the other brand that I've already tried, these are definitely like much better. I will definitely be using these again. Maybe not in this style. I'm definitely going to browse around and look at other more natural styles for a more day-to-day basis. But I'm gonna have to give these an 8 out of 10. I really do love them. Only an 8 because the price point is pretty high. So if you're looking for something like for an event or something and you need them right away, these are really pricey, but they are definitely an investment. You can use them several times, so I might even give these a 9 out of 10. Honestly, like, I love them. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. Don't forget to leave a like, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.